Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a nail look with the color green. Now this is in response to a request made by Hawaiian Kind Nail Designs, Kiana Schiller, and she made a request on one of my other videos. I have a couple of videos with some nail designs made with yellow, and so she requested that I do a nail look with green. So I have taken this nail right here, prepped it. I used Madame Glam Dusty Pastel Green as my main color. I also topped it with matte top coat. I'm going to be stamping today with Born Pretty Store stamping polish, and what is this? I don't know what it's called. Doesn't have a number. There's a number 8. But I love this polish because it's green. It has some gold in it and it has some blue in it, and it's just so pretty. And I'm going to be stamping from Lena Four Seasons Summer Plate number 1. And I have some leaves right here, and I am going to be stamping. Not sure if I'm doing a combination or just one leaf, or we'll see what happens. I am also using a stamper, which I think I got at Born Pretty Store many years ago. Now in this case, I'm scraping towards me because that way I have less to worry about. The only image I'm gonna get is the one that I want to use. Okay, so I am going to start from here, and that is a very pretty tropical image, and I love it against the matte background. It's so pretty. Okay, so next I think I'm going to use this one right here. That is so pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna take just one image and put it down here, and it's probably gonna be the same one. I'm just gonna be going in the opposite direction with it. I temporarily misplaced my stamper and scraper, so I'm just going to use this one because it's right here. And I'm going to add that right there. It's so cute. I really like that. I love that. Okay. So I'm going to take another nail, which I have. Now this one has top coat that is shiny, but I'm still going to stamp over that. And I like to do that because if I decide to change the design, all I have to do is wipe that off with acetone, or if I make a mistake, wipe that off with acetone, and then I can start over. Okay, so on that one, I'm going to use this pattern, which goes with those. Now this I'm going to have to patch because my nail is longer than the design itself. So alright, so I'm going to start from the top. Okay, and then I am going to go in and patch in that image. This time I think I'm going to scrape sideways, that way I don't get any of the additional images that are above and below, because I have a large stamper right now. Okay, let's see. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to do it this way. Okay, sorry guys. There is a complimentary nail. That goes very nicely next to that one. Okay, so this is my final matte nail. I resisted putting a bunch of stuff on it because I just love to add that bling, but I really like the way it looks, especially the matte and the contrast with the shimmer and the matte. The contrast they created, I really like that. Okay, and then the complimentary nail, this one, is also very pretty. Here they are. I love the way they turned out. I love the whole palm tree thing, the whole tropical thing going on, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload my next nail design in my green nail series. Okay, take care everyone, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.